Hi, this is Mark Birch, and this is a quick revision of Macbeth Act 3, Scene 6. This scene could be regarded as a parallel to Act 2, Scene 4, because in Act 2, Scene 4 we had the kind of public perception of the murder of Duncan as a tragic event, while here we've got the perception of the Scottish nobility regarding the murder of Duncan and the murder of Banquo. So we're getting a whole range of society's perceptions on these atrocities. Lennox's speech is full of irony. He's sarcastic as he comments on the behaviour of Macbeth and what's happened, perhaps reflecting the danger posed by speaking too freely in this oppressive Scotland under Macbeth's rule. He says, for example, the gracious Duncan was pitied of Macbeth. Marry, he was dead, suggesting that there is a link between Macbeth's pity of Duncan and the way in which he was murdered. And the same is then true of what happens to Banquo and his comments about Donalbain and Malcolm as well. The Scottish Lord comments on the fact that Macduff has flown to England to meet with Malcolm, who's there with the English nobility. And this provides an opportunity for Shakespeare to explore the contrasts between the English king and the Scottish king. So we have this contrast between Edward and Macbeth. The Lord presents Macbeth as being a tyrant, while Edward is the most pious Edward. Words like grace and holy king referenced, alluding to the way in which Edward would be regarded as being appointed by God, exhibiting the divine right of kings, the thing that Macbeth has usurped. Okay, ta.